Remember I showed you guys that I got a Christmas tree on my dashboard, right? So what happens is this slip on the very right, this traction control, and the ABS light. So basically it's like ASR, traction, and ABS is on. This is always on because you need to know that your engine's still under the hood. So if you got that light on, that means everything's good, your engine's still there and it's running. Otherwise, if it wouldn't be running, that thing wouldn't be on. You might want to check under the hood if it's still there. But these three here, 1, 2, 3 of these, I really had no clue exactly what's going on with them. And honestly, I thought that I needed to replace the track ABS sensor or track sensor, RPM sensor, whatever it's called, in the back axle. And it showed me when I ran my scanner, which is that OTOFIX D1 scanner, it showed me exactly which wheel that this problem links to. So I went under the van and guess what I found? I'll show you. Let's go see. Might be a little... Everybody's kind of doing their thing in my house. Okay. So I went and followed the lines just because I'm that kind of a nosy guy. I want to see what's happening. Kind of looked around and guess what? Look at this. You guys see that? That's the problem. So I'm gonna cut this and look inside and open these two up, reconnect them, and that light is gonna be going away. And the Sumo springs actually work good, guys. They used to be yellow, they're changed color now. Look at that. They're maroon. They're not yellow anymore on both sides. But those work wonderfully. Should probably do another little review video on them. Show you guys what's up with those. But today we're gonna fix this problem and make all those dash lights go away. That's what's gonna happen right now. Look at this thing. Yeah. So gonna get some pliers, cut this all the way, and see what's inside. And reattach all these wires, reseal them, and hopefully it's gonna be going away. It has 2 wires inside, just like this. You guys can see a white one and a black one. And they were damaged, so I must have ran over something on the side on the road while I was driving. This is why you never want to, if you see something in the road, it's best not to even let it go in the middle, through the middle here of the van, because you never know what it's going to hit and what else could be damaged. You know, any wiring really could happen, you know what I mean? Even higher up here and stuff. So you don't want to run over anything, and you don't want to really put anything in the middle of the van and kind of run over it that way, because the wind can kick it up and you're going to end up with that problem. So I'm going to strip this really good, all of these. I'm going to strip them and then reattach them back up with some good electrical tape, and hopefully that'll do the problem. You know, that'll take care of the light, reseal all this really well, and that's it. So show you guys what the finished product's going to look like, and we're all going to go and start the van up, make sure the problem goes away, make sure all the lights go away. Might have to reset it with the computer, but I'll show you guys how to do that as well. Okay, here's the two and two. We got one more to strip, and then we're going to use electrical tape. I'm going to use some good Scotch 33 plus for this thing, and get it with the Scotch so it sticks better. And then maybe, well, actually I don't think I have any that big. We'll just use the Scotch and see how that goes. If that won't work out, then we'll have to just replace that sensor altogether sometime. But I don't know how long this wire is, like where it goes, how far deep it goes to how far deep it goes to where it unplugs, so we'll figure it out. So this bad boy has 0 slack. I had to cut all this up, all the zip ties from here, just to get a, I don't know, maybe 1/8 of an inch over here. And then this is how it looks before I'm going to use electrical tape on it and insulate it. Kind of sucks, but I don't know, it'll get me through for now. I'm going to do one side, the other side, and then reseal it super good. I'm going to use a lot of electrical tape on here, so that way we'll be good, hopefully, for a little while, instead of resealing the whole thing and replacing. I don't know.
Use a little plastic tubes and heat it.
No, they don't really. I mean, I thought about it, but no. We're just going to use the electrical tape. Here's the finished product. I didn't have any of the thicker black zip ties, but we had the white ones. So I've taped everything up. Really good insulated as far as I felt like it's safe. Re-zip tied it up over here, where it needs, and that's it. Let's go check inside if the light's gonna go off. Moment of truth. Ha! How about that? No more Christmas tree.
I was about to say that.
Then we can get rid of this too. Then have nothing left.
What, check engine?
Yeah.
Do you still need to change your brakes?
I don't need to change. Well, no. My pads are still good, actually. So that's it. That's how you do that. If you guys have a problem, all those lights up there, go check underneath your vehicle and see. Maybe, just maybe you ran something over. And maybe you just need to go, you know, cut into those wires, splice them together, put them back together, and all that's going to go away. Now I don't have to worry about not having ABS or traction control or the slippage and all that kind of stuff. So now everything works, and winter's coming. That was important. I had to take care of that part because, you know, up in the mountains in Montana and Idaho, snow driving, all that stuff is coming right up. So problem solved, problem fixed. Another video for you guys. Some of you guys wanted to see those, some didn't. If you don't like it, you don't have to watch it, but to those guys that, you know, do their own maintenance and want to know what that could be, what happened, that could be what happened if you guys got those lights on. God bless. We'll see each other next time. Subscribe if you haven't yet.